We're Cryptonomic, and this is our project Monadic DNA. Personal genomic services like 23andMe offer ancestry and health data useful for both personal use and scientific research. However, the current data security practices are simply not enough to protect people's most sensitive and personal data about themselves. Our project is an illustrative example of what a new privacy-respecting paradigm might look like. The Monadic DNA portal lets users create DNA passports and view their results in one place. Snipperbot is a service for confidential computing on the cloud using the Nilion network. MTDog is a service for verifiable computing on users' machines using RISC-0, and all displayed results correspond to attestations on signed protocol.
I'm going to monadicdna.com to upload my actual 23andMe data. Once I upload my data, select bits of it are processed and stored as secrets on the Nilion network. Once the storage is done, I'll receive a DNA passport with all the metadata required, including attestations and storage metadata. They'll let me use other personal genomic services such as Snipperbot and MTDog. So once I have my file, I'll store it somewhere that I like, and I'll be able to upload it to these other services. So there's my file. I'm saving it down, and I'll now visit Snipperbot. On Snipperbot, I'm able to go to the app. I'm able to upload my DNA passport, and Snipperbot runs confidential computations on the data that was already stored. It's pretty remarkable what we can do with today's technology. Once the results come back, I'll know whether I have a risk for thrombosis, and then I'll go to the MTDog service. So low risk for thrombosis, that's great news. Now I can go to MTDog, which actually runs locally using RISC-0. I already have the program set up on my computer. This program also takes in my passport and my data set. And remember, this is my actual data set. I run some computations locally, and once the result is back, I have the option of having it attested, which I shall do. And now that these services have written the results on chain, I can go back to the Monadic DNA portal, to the results section, upload my DNA passport, and it'll render all my results. So I have high risk for diabetes, type 2 diabetes, and low risk for thrombosis, and I can present this information to my healthcare provider in a verifiable manner.
The Ethereum ecosystem is crucial for making Monadic DNA possible. To build a chain of trust, we use attestations on base sepolia to identify valid datasets and verified providers like MTDog and Snipperbot, which attest that specific users have specific traits. This assures all stakeholders, especially healthcare providers, that all the genomic findings are reliable while still maintaining anonymity and privacy. All RISC-0 computations run on users' computers and can also be verified on the Ethereum Sepolia chain.
To go into production, Monadic DNA needs to add payment for all providers. As Nilian and RISC-0 evolve and we add more engineering effort, we will able to support larger datasets and even perform whole genome analysis. The more traits these services can add, the easier it will be to get user to switch over to secure sovereign personal genomics. Finally, if we can partner with a privacy preserving DNA lab, then users will have full end-to-end genomic privacy. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching.